everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be displaying some text and a button onto this Tkinter window we created in the previous video. Okay, so this is the window that we created in the previous video. We added an icon, a custom title, and we put a specific size. Okay, now today we're going to be putting in we are going to be adding some, what is it called? We're going to be adding what adding some text and maybe a image to our Tkinter window. So first, let's start by adding some text. Okay, so this is actually easy. It's not too hard because in Tkinter we have such thing called a widget. Now, a widget is something that can be displayed onto a Tkinter window. Now, this text would be a widget, so it'll be easy enough to display. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, let's say, no, not root, sorry, text is equal to label. Okay, now this label is basically text, but it's known as a label widget. So text is equal to label. First, we need to put where we want to display it on. So I want to display it on my root window. After that, we need to write what the text is. So text is equal to, let's make some noise. Okay, so let's make some noise. Okay, so that is our text. So now, if we run it, it is not displaying on the screen whatsoever. So if you see here, it's not displaying on the screen at all. So why is this? This is because there is a function called pack that you need to use when you display any kind of widget onto the screen. So similar to if you can't go on holiday if you don't pack your briefcase. So we need to pack this onto a screen. So I'm going to say text dot pack. Okay, so now let's run it. And there we go. We've got our let's make some noise. And also this text is actually a bit small, so we want to change that. So what I'm going to do is right under where we make our text, I'm going to say text dot configure and after that after we write text.configure, we want to put in the font. So font is equal to brackets, and we want to put in what kind of font we want. So I'm going to put in Corbel. That's the font I want. The size, and this is a number, so I'm going to put size 13, so it's a bit bigger. After that, I am going to put the style. So mine is normal. Make sure all the letters are lowercase, otherwise they'll throw you an error. So if we run this now, okay, so now it's much bigger, and it's actually the font is actually Corbel now. Okay, and it's normal style. So if you can also change it to bold. Okay, so now this is bold. We can change this to italic. And now it's italic. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it as normal. Okay, so we've got our text, and it is nice. It's displaying on the screen how we like. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to add an image. Now I have this actual play.png. This is the image I'll be displaying. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say play photo. Now, why am I calling it a photo? This is because if you want to specify an image on Tkinter, you need to specify it as a photo image widget. So in this photo image widget, you need to specify the file of your image. Now my image is in my project, so all I need to do is put in the name. So mine is called play.png, and it is 64 pixels by 64 pixels, as you can see over here. Okay, so again, we can't we need to pack it, but before you pack it, we can't display a photo image widget. We need to convert it into a label, but in a different sort of way, and then we can pack it, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to say play btn. So play, actually not play btn, play image is equal to, play image is equal to label. So label, and now we want to display this on the root, and now instead of putting text is equal to, we need to put image is equal to photo image. Okay, so not photo image, sorry, play photo. Play photo, there we go. So this is why you need to keep it as keep all the photos separate so you can reuse them over and over again. Okay, so after we've put in our play photo, what we need to do after that is we need to pack it onto the screen. But we need to pack in the play image. So play image dot pack. Okay, so you pack that onto the screen. Run this. Okay, so beautiful. Now we have got this actual play button image, but it's not a button yet. Okay, so well done, you guys, for adding your text and your image to your Tkinter window. In the next video, we will be turning this play image into a play button, and we will also be adding some functionality with it so we can use it properly. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments or doubts, please comment them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be very grateful for that. And I guess that's the end of this video. Bye.